Today we have an interesting calculation. 45 divided by 3/5 multiplied by 5. At first glance, many people immediately try to cancel 5 in the fraction with the 5 at the end. That gives them 45 divided by 3, which equals 15. It looks simple, but this solution is not correct. Why? Because before simplifying anything, we must respect the order of operations. The most common order of operations is remembered with the word PEMDAS. P stands for parentheses. E stands for exponents. M stands for multiplication. D stands for division. A stands for addition. S stands for subtraction. One important thing that many people misunderstand is that multiplication does not always come before division. Multiplication and division have equal priority. When multiplication and division appear in the same expression, we simply work from left to right. The same rule applies to addition and subtraction. They also have equal priority, so we solve them from left to right. Now let's solve our expression correctly. We start with 45 divided by 3/5 multiplied by 5. The first operation from the left is the division. To divide by a fraction, we use the KCF rule. K means keep the first number unchanged. C means change the division sign into multiplication. F means flip the second fraction. First, write 45 as a fraction. 45 is the same as 45 over 1. Now keep 45 over 1 unchanged. Change the division sign into multiplication. Then flip 3/5 into 5/3. Finally, bring down the last multiplication by 5. Now the expression becomes 45 over 1 multiplied by 5 over 3 multiplied by 5. Since everything is now multiplication, we can simplify. 45 and 3 have a common factor of 3. 45 divided by 3 is 15. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Now we have 15 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Multiply the first two numbers. 15 times 5 equals 75. Now multiply again. 75 times 5 equals 375. So the correct answer is 375. The mistake many people make is canceling numbers before following the correct order of operations. Always remember that the operation on the left must be completed first. Now let's solve another example. The expression is 8 minus 2 times 3 plus 4. Again, let's apply PEMDAS. There are no parentheses. There are no exponents. The next priority is multiplication. So we calculate 2 times 3 first. 2 times 3 equals 6. Now the expression becomes 8 minus 6 plus 4. At this point, we only have subtraction and addition. Subtraction and addition have the same priority, so we solve them from left to right. Start with 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 equals 2. Now we have 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 equals 6. So the correct answer is 6. Notice what happens if someone adds 3 and 4 first, or subtracts 8 minus 2 first. They will get the wrong answer because they ignore the order of operations. PEMDAS helps us solve every expression in the correct order so that everyone arrives at the same answer. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more daily math challenges and tricks.